Repeat.
E.
With a
Macaron.
number 2.
R.
Number 3. A.
A.
Number 4.
B.
Number 5. Repeat.
T.
I'd like for you to say the sound and the letter, please. I hear 2 people. I want to hear more, please. Number 6. O.
O. With the macaron.
Number 7.
Z.
Number 8. W.
W.
Number 9. N.
N.
Number 10. O.
Wow.
Number 11.
H.
Number 12. Repeat.
Diagram.
No. First.
K, comma, C, final, CK.
Number 13. Yeah.
I'm not ready. Y. Oh, come on. Seriously? You just got off my board.
Number 10. 14. Sorry, 14. TH. Cross out the TH for voiced. Number 15.
I. Macaron. Breathe.
Read. It. 16. A.
A. Macaron.
17.
B.
18.
U. With the macaron.
Read. Number 19. F.
E. With the breathe.
Number 20. J.
J.
21. I. 21. O. Wait, sorry. Not 21. Ah. 22. Okay, sorry. 22. Ah. Ah. O. Breathe. We already did the Macron one. Sorry. That's my fault. Number 6. The Macron one. Number 7.
Number 23.
Oh my gosh. Yes. 23. S. Okay. Mrs. Ackerman's going to get it together. Number 24.
F.
25. G.
G.
26. U.
U. Macaron.
27. D.
D.
28.
N.
We already did N.
Is this 28?
29. Yeah, that's 29. P. 30.
T-H.
TH. And number 31. Okay, we will do 32 and 33 later. Okay? We will get here. I don't think I didn't have an S. Just wait. I don't think I had an SH. I had 2 THs. I don't think I had an SH, guys. Okay, I don't have an SH. Alright? Okay. Flip it over. I didn't see an SH. I don't know if I have one. Okay, I'll look later. Number 1. Number 1. Write the word shop. Again today. Number 2, shut. Okay, hey. Number 3, wish. Number 4, love. I'll give you a hint. There is no U. Sight word. So you have to know how to spell it. You have to remember what you're looking at when you do it. Number 5, of. Does not have a U in it either. Guys, voices off, please. Number 6, 1. Like the number 1. 1. Okay, we're going to write them down how they're spelled. Okay, these are how you spell those 6 words. We are now going to go to practice some new things that we're going to learn today. Echo these words and listen to the sound and the initial position. Are you ready? Repeat. Chin.
Chin.
Chat.
Chat.
Chop.
Chop.
Okay, what do you hear in the initial position, everyone? Okay, look at how these are spelled. Okay, look at these words and see what's making the ch sound. What is making the ch sound, everyone? C-H. Does anyone know what CH would be called? Everyone?
Digraph.
Digraph. Why? Because it is
2 letters that come together to make one sound.
okay. And the English pronunciation for digraph CH, or it's the English pronunciation. It is the English pronunciation. So when you put CH together, you say ch, not k. Okay? Not k. It's ch. We will be discussing some other pronunciations of this digraph in a later lesson. How do we code digraphs? Everyone?
Underline.
Okay, so on this, we will
Underline
CH. What kind of digraph is CH? Ma'am? Consonant digraph. How do you know that it's a consonant digraph? Class?
Is because and H are not a consonant.
They are consonants, you mean. So that's why it's a consonant. Okay. How do we code vowels in these words, boys and girls?
Breathe.
Okay. Yeah, let's just raise your hand with it. You raise your hand, don't say it at the same time. Just raise your hand, okay? Yes, we will code them with breathe. Why do we code them with breathe, boys and girls? Oh, wait. You raised your hand, but then you start talking again. Just raise your hand without saying it.
Because there is a vowel following it.
What following it? A vowel following the vowel?
Consonant.
Consonant following it, yes. Okay. What is this word, boys and girls?
Chin.
What is it? Show me your chin. Okay. Chat. And what's the last word?
Shop.
Okay. Put your hand on your throat and say, is that sound voiced or not voiced? Not voiced. Okay. So, boys and girls, I'm going to show you the cards now. We're going to talk about them. Okay, go back to this page, please. I think you're right. We're supposed to have a SH in there somewhere. So, on 32, write SH. And now our new one, you repeat the sound. CH. Okay. Alright, now let's practice spelling some new words with our new sound. Number 7 on the back. Write the word chin. Chin.
It was up there.
It was just up there. You're right. Number 8. Write the word ranch. Ranch. Like my grandpa lives on a ranch with horses. And number 9, lunch. I want to go eat my lunch.
We had lunch.
Oh, you mean over here? Okay. Number 7, chin, is C-H-N. I-N. Thank you. Ranch. N. A-N. C-H. Yes. Ran. It's like the word ran. And then.
You just added.
Yes. And then number 9, lunch. O